Good sheep. Keep your patience. Yeah. Local Dunbar wheat flour. Maestro oil sprayer. Organic olive oil. Mustard greens. Flip it over. Flip each one over. And these misters are perfect. They're made for squirting oil. And from what I read from the reviews, these are the only really quality ones. Oil misters is what they're called if you want to look them up. Or I'll try to put links in the description. I don't get paid by them. I'm not an affiliate. You gotta just do, that's like pushing it for how much I can put on. I should have pumped it up a couple more times so I could probably afford to warm up the oil too so it sprays more like a mist. I'm graffitiing my wild kale. And you want to put on just enough flour to give you some flavor and some body, but you don't want to put too much on for the amount of oil that you have. You don't want there to be any flour that gets burned, but you have to draw into account that there's moisture inside the leaves, and when you heat them up they're going to start to purge that moisture, and it's going to go into steam. It's going to raise, it's going to moisten the flour a little bit. So bring all that into account, and you try to aim to get that sweet spot of as much as you can for flavor, but not too much to where there's too much flour to be absorbed into the moisture and it ends up burning. That sucks. That doesn't taste good. It doesn't have a good texture either. There we go. That looks perfect. Yeah. These worms are not ready yet. Good sheep! Rainy. This is the best way by far I've ever found to get my veggies, get my vitamin A. Breaded wild kale chips. Mustard leaves. I use mustard leaves instead of kale. Mustard leaves are literally in the same family as kale. It's in the brassica family. This is a wild cousin of kale. These are wild kale chips, battered. Oh my God, these are so good. Look how beautiful these are. So beautiful. It's so ridiculous.